Hi everyone, so I'm here at the Obolo Hotel in Woolloomooloo in Sydney. I am heading to the Chanel Cruise Collection 2018-19 preview with my bestie. She's gonna come in, she's just fixing her hair. Hello. Okay, you gotta come this way, sweetheart. So, this is my bestie, her name's Sahar. We're just gonna go in and yeah, our appointment's in about half an hour, so we're gonna grab something quick to eat. So we'll show you around here because it's so beautiful here.
It's gorgeous.
They've got Christmas decorations and it just looks divine. So we're gonna go eat something and then yeah, we're gonna head to our appointment, and if I can, I'm just gonna sneak some clips so I can show you guys what it's like because I've never been. I'm really excited. So we're just waiting for our breakfast, lunch, whatever. So I brought my mini out for the occasion, and look at my friend's gorgeous classic. What's it, sweetie?
I think
it's the pleated calf skin? Aged calf skin. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's from the beginning of this year.
Yeah.
And the hardware is that beautiful brushed gold hardware. Yeah, I'm in love with this bag, and I might just open it up and just show you guys. So it's just a classic flap, but oh, one of a kind. And yeah, I won't flash all your contents.
Oh, it's okay. There's nothing really in there.
And then I thought I'd quickly show you what I'm carrying in my bag. So I've only got a couple of things because this bag is pretty tiny, but I thought it might just be fun to show you while we're waiting for food to come. So I've just got my little card holder from Chanel. I got this from Hong Kong with Mum earlier this year. Actually, she got it for me. I don't know why, because I was probably hesitating and she just got fed up and she just wanted to get it. So I've got all my cards and cash in there. And then I've just got this little notebook from Typo. Look at this, Boss Babe. So Sahar bought this for me so we can jot down little ideas and make it happen. And then I've just got some papers, and then a little hand cream from L'Occitane. I love this size because it just fits into all my mini handbags really well. And then, oh, this tiny little Mecca lipstick I just picked up from Mecca the other day, and it's just so tiny and perfect for all the mini bags. So, and I never get to use up all my lipstick anyway, so I thought that size was perfect. And I just have a pen and another lip balm, so that's it. So this is just the veggie bun. So the lady, I asked what's in it, and then she was just like a bun and vegetables,
Which was
that's what I'm having. And I've just got a ginger tea because apparently it's really good for bloating and my tummy's a bit bloated. So let's see how well this goes.
And I'm having a chai.
Yeah. And my good friend is very good. She is fasting at the moment because she's a good girl. So yeah, she's just having a tea. So this is what we need on the boat. Oh my gosh. Look how they glisten. This is the blue version.
Isn't it gorgeous? I actually really like blue.
So tweed, the reason why the word tweed is about the fibers are washed in them, and he really used it to that size of where their inspiration came from. That they used to put underneath the saddles. I mean, even the boy bag was a military satchel. And of course, this is the first look we see with the camellia. Has a new button, and it's unique to this piece.
Wow. Buttons are awesome buttons. Oh, I love that.
It's so pretty.
By an Atelier called Montex. Atelier Montex. contemporary avant-garde.
Wow.
Also specializes in the now. With like this, it becomes quite cape-like. But if you wear the belt outside, it really cinches in place and accentuates the waist.
Do you guys get really excited when you get
No.
because you have to count it. You have to count it.
So we just finished up that Chanel preview.
Hi, guys.
And we managed to film a little bit, so I'm so excited. The guy that helped us was so lovely. He let
was
me just do
amazing.
whatever. Anyway, so now we came to Bondi to actually check out the stores because you couldn't buy anything from there. But there are a couple of pieces that we wanted to check out. So we're gonna head into Chanel and check out a few other stores as well. So I'll see if I can bring you along. See you soon. And grab the coffee. We're trying on more rock stars. How crazy are we?
They're just so hot.
If anyone's looking for these rock stars, they're down to $9.31.
And they're amazing on.
And if you are a David Jones card holder, you get another 10% off. Just thought that's a really good deal, but I don't think I need an 8th pair of rock stars. So we're here. Oh, they do have some of the pieces that we checked out at the event. This gorgeous girl is trying to decide what we need to go with. Look at this. It's just like back heaven. Oh, can you turn around? It's just gorgeous. Silver is just so fresh. We're looking at the square and turn around and the rectangle. So I love this from the show, but it's not very flattering on. But I thought I'd try anyway.
Do nothing. Yeah. Should I rub it with my
With like,
yeah?
yeah.
This is the situation. We did a little bit of damage dinner ATM, but it's not too bad. We just picked up a couple of little goodies. So, my friend did some damage, so I'm going to show you guys what she got.
Here we go.
It's so pretty and it's exactly what you needed. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So it's card holder. Oh my gosh. It's just our daggy food. Oh my gosh, how amazing is this? I didn't realize the
Interior was
interior
different.
lining was different. It's got the gorgeous like marbly fabric lining. What is it? Wow, did you know that?
I didn't see it there,
Wow.
but I like it.
And then, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. And then I just want to show you guys, look how beautiful this camellia bit is at the end of the CC logo. So you.
So beautiful.
Aww. So we had all day of shopping and I think we're very, very tired. Oh my gosh, look at your cappuccino.
It's
You're
like
totally
I
getting
smashed
into
it.
So we're just gonna have a drink and probably head
Head off.
home.